everyone, it's 𝗦𝗹𝗲 from The Right Move.
Today, we are at Tanah Merah MRT and we are headed over there to Urban Vista to share with you guys a high-floor 3-bedroom that can be yours for an absolute bargain price of under $1.3 million. Let's go! Urban Vista was completed in 2016 and it comes with full condo facilities including a tennis court, gym, and swimming pools, all 36 of them.
As we step into the unit, the first thing you'll notice is the 3-meter high ceiling, measuring in at 850 square feet. This is not going to be the biggest house you'll ever see, which is why the high ceiling height coupled with the natural ventilation from the centered north-south facing goes a long way in helping this space feel bigger and more comfortable. The layout is extremely efficient, as it essentially forms a square. You don't get any odd angles or wasted space. The balcony is kept to a reasonable yet usable size, and we also get an enclosed kitchen and even a bomb shelter that can act as a storeroom or utility room.
All bedrooms can fit in minimally a queen-size bed and are all unique in their own ways. The master connects to the balcony, giving it full-height windows and plenty of natural light. The second bedroom offers the best views. And here in the third bedroom with its loft is an absolute godsend in this work from home period, so we can have our comfortable workspace over here and bed right above. And before we go, a quick look to see what's around the area. The most interesting thing to note is the plot right beside us has been sold in the latest JLS exercise, and with an expected sale price in excess of 1,700 PSF, Urban Vista represents excellent value for money. That development is also slated to come with commercial shops at the first level, bringing the abundance of amenities in the area even closer to home. And when we say an abundance, it's literally left, right, centre. With East Village and Simpang Bedok to the north, Changi City Point and Johor to the east, Bedok Corner along with Eastwood Centre to the south, and last but not least, Bedok Mall and Bedok 85 Market to the west.
And lastly, for investors, we are a stone's throw away from employment hubs such as SUTD, Changi Business Park, and Changi Airport. Thank you for joining us on this home tour today.
Please do like and subscribe as you help our channel a ton. Till next time,
bye!